In a small, tight-knit community, Jack Thornton finds himself embroiled in a fierce battle against the Lakeview Homeowners Association, spearheaded by the determined Linda Harper. The conflict ignites over an illegal dock that has become a symbol of deeper issues within the neighborhood. This dock, built without proper permits, not only disrupts the natural beauty of the lake, but also raises questions about fairness and the rights of residents. Jack, a passionate advocate for community integrity, believes that standing up against the association is crucial for preserving the values that bind the neighborhood together. As tensions rise, the struggle unfolds, revealing the complexities of local governance and the impact of individual actions on collective well-being. This story is not just about a dock. It embodies the themes of resilience and justice, showcasing how one person's fight can inspire others to challenge authority and seek accountability. Join us as we delve into this compelling narrative, exploring the heart of community struggles and the unwavering spirit of those who dare to stand up for what is right. The tension was palpable as Jack Thornton approached the dock, where he encountered Linda Harper, the assertive president of the Lakeview Homeowners Association. Linda stood with arms crossed, her expression fierce as she confronted Jack about the illegal structure that had sparked so much controversy. "You knew this dock was in violation, Jack," she snapped. "You built it without a permit. We have rules for a reason." Her aggressive stance made it clear that she was prepared to defend the HOA's interests at all costs, viewing the dock as a direct challenge to her authority and the community's regulations. In stark contrast, Jack maintained a calm demeanor, embodying a quiet confidence rooted in his extensive knowledge of the law. "I didn't build this dock," Jack said evenly. "It's been here for years, and more importantly, it's protected under federal law." He understood the significance of the federally protected dock, which not only served as a vital habitat for local wildlife, but also represented the rights of residents to access the lake. As their conversation unfolded, the stakes became evident. Jack was not just defending a piece of property. He was standing up for the principles of justice and environmental protection against an overreaching association. This initial encounter set the stage for a conflict that would test the limits of community governance and individual rights. The dock at the center of Jack Thornton's battle has a rich history, constructed years ago to provide residents with access to the pristine waters of the lake, while also serving as a crucial habitat for various aquatic species. Its environmental importance cannot be overstated, as it plays a vital role in maintaining the local ecosystem. The legal significance of the dock is further underscored by a landmark Supreme Court ruling from 1981, which established that structures like Jack's, built for recreational use and environmental stewardship, are protected under federal law. This decision reinforced the rights of property owners to utilize their land while adhering to environmental regulations. As a result, Jack finds himself with substantial legal protections against the Lakeview Homeowners Association's attempts to dismantle the dock. The ruling not only empowers him to defend his property, but also highlights the broader implications for community members who seek to balance development with environmental conservation. Jack's knowledge of this legal framework strengthens his resolve, positioning him as a formidable opponent against the HOA's aggressive tactics. As tensions escalated, the Lakeview Homeowners Association, led by Linda Harper, resorted to increasingly aggressive tactics to intimidate Jack Thornton into removing his dock. They issued a series of threatening letters, claiming he was in violation of community rules, despite the legal protections surrounding his property. One letter read, "Failure to comply with HOA ordinances will result in daily fines and potential legal action." When Jack refused to back down, the HOA took matters into their own hands, attempting to sabotage the dock by sending workers to dismantle it without proper authorization. Jack arrived just in time during one such attempt. "Touch one board and I'll have you all arrested," he warned, holding his phone up to record. Each confrontation only fueled Jack's determination to protect his property and uphold his rights. He meticulously documented every interaction, gathering evidence of the HOA's illegal actions to bolster his case. Meanwhile, the community began to take notice of the escalating conflict. Many residents, inspired by Jack's resolve, rallied around him, recognizing the importance of standing up against the HOA's overreach. Neighborhood meetings became a platform for discussing the issues at hand, with more residents voicing their support for Jack. This growing solidarity transformed the conflict into a community-wide struggle for justice, highlighting the power of collective action against intimidation. Jack Thornton's struggle against the Lakeview Homeowners Association quickly gained traction, thanks in large part to the local media and the power of social media. News outlets began covering his story, highlighting the conflict over the dock and the HOA's aggressive tactics. This exposure resonated with many residents, sparking conversations about property rights and community governance. Social media platforms became a vital tool for spreading Jack's message, as neighbors shared posts and rallied support, amplifying his fight beyond the confines of their small community. One viral post featured Jack standing in front of the dock with a sign that read, "Protected by law, defended by community." The growing public opinion shifted in Jack's favor, with many residents expressing their discontent with the HOA's authoritarian approach. As more people joined the conversation, Jack's battle transformed into a symbol of resistance against HOA tyranny, inspiring others to stand up for their rights. Community members organized rallies and petitions, demonstrating their solidarity with Jack and emphasizing the importance of protecting individual freedoms. This collective movement not only strengthened Jack's resolve, but also fostered a sense of unity among residents, proving that together they could challenge the status quo and advocate for justice. As Jack Thornton's fight against the Lakeview Homeowners Association intensified, pivotal moments began to unfold that would ultimately lead to the HOA's downfall. Internal conflict emerged within the association as members grew increasingly disillusioned with Linda Harper's aggressive tactics and her refusal to consider the community's concerns. During a stormy board meeting, one member shouted, "Linda, this isn't a dictatorship. You've dragged us all through the mud." This dissent culminated in a heated meeting where several members called for Linda's removal, recognizing that her leadership was damaging the HOA's reputation and alienating residents. Meanwhile, Jack achieved significant legal victories, successfully challenging the HOA's attempts to dismantle his dock in court. Each ruling reinforced his rights and exposed the HOA's illegal actions, further eroding their authority. As these victories became public knowledge, the community's support for Jack shifted dramatically. Residents who once hesitated to take a stand began to rally behind him, attending meetings and voicing their discontent with the HOA's overreach. This growing solidarity not only empowered Jack, but also marked a turning point in the conflict, as the community united to reclaim their rights and demand accountability from the HOA, leading to its eventual collapse. The celebration of Dock Day marked a triumphant moment for Jack Thornton and the entire community, as residents gathered to reclaim the dock that had become a symbol of their struggle. Families, friends, and neighbors came together, filling the area with laughter and joy, united in their shared victory over the Lakeview Homeowners Association. Children played near the water while local musicians performed under a tent draped in blue and green banners. The atmosphere was electric, with decorations adorning the dock and a festive spirit in the air. During the event, a state marker was unveiled, recognizing the dock as a historical site of significance, highlighting its role in the community's heritage and environmental stewardship. This acknowledgement not only validated Jack's fight, but also reinforced the importance of preserving local history for future generations. As the community celebrated, the event fostered a renewed sense of spirit and unity among residents, who had once been divided by the HOA's oppressive tactics. Together, they shared stories, enjoyed food, and participated in activities that strengthened their bonds, transforming the dock into a cherished gathering place that symbolized resilience, cooperation, and the power of community action. Jack Thornton's experience serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of resilience and community involvement in the face of adversity. His unwavering determination to protect his rights and the rights of his neighbors highlights the necessity of standing up against unjust authority. One key takeaway from Jack's journey is that collective action can lead to meaningful change. When individuals unite for a common cause, they can challenge even the most formidable opponents. This story encourages viewers to reflect on their own rights and responsibilities within their communities, urging them to be proactive in safeguarding their interests. Additionally, Jack's legal victories underscore the critical importance of understanding the law when it comes to protecting personal property. Knowledge of legal rights not only empowers individuals, but also equips them to navigate conflicts effectively. As we reflect on Jack's journey, let it inspire us to advocate for ourselves and our neighbors, fostering a culture of awareness and activism. Standing up for one's rights is not just a personal endeavor, it is a vital contribution to the strength and integrity of the entire community. His fight to protect the dock, a vital part of the local ecosystem and a symbol of residents' rights, highlights the significance of standing up against unjust authority. Throughout this conflict, the unwavering support from the community played a crucial role in overcoming the challenges posed by the Lakeview Homeowners Association. Together, they demonstrated that collective action can lead to meaningful change and inspire others to advocate for their rights. As we reflect on Jack's inspiring story, we encourage you to engage with this content by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends and family. By doing so, you help spread awareness of important issues and inspire others to take action in their own communities. Your support makes a difference. Thank you for watching Work Story, and see you in the next one.